welcome to my class, and welcome to Wanies Academy. Today we are looking at an important part of physics: charge, current, and time as a topic. We have a 3-lesson objective in this lesson for today. We have the first lesson objective, which is to define electric charge, electric current, and time. Then to explain the relationship between charge, current, and time. Then to solve simple problems involving charge, current, and time. So quickly, let's delve into the lesson. What is electric charge? Electric charge is a property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electric or magnetic field. So now, when a matter is anything that has a mass and that occupies space. Now, when a matter is placed in an electric or magnetic field, it's, the electric charge is that property of that matter that causes it to experience a force. So we have 2 types of charges. We have what is known as the positive charge, positive charge, positive charge, positive charge, P, positive charge. Then we have the negative charge. Negative charge. Now, there's a law that governs the way charges behave. It is known as a law of charge. A law of charge. Now, it states that light charges will repel, unlike charges will attract. A very simple law. What it means is that if I have another positive charge here, it will repel, it will be running away from each other, it will be separating from each other. If I have another negative here, it will be separating from each other. That's the first law. The second law now states that if I have a different charge, plus, minus, it's going to attract. Minus, plus, is going to attract. So now, on light charge, it will attract. Light charges, they will repel. That is the law of charge. Now, there is every quantity in physics has a unit. For charge, we have the unit of charge is coulomb. Coulomb. Now, the unit of charge is coulomb. Now, it's named after a scientist, Charles Augustin de Coulomb. Charles Augustin de Coulomb. So now, 1 coulomb represents about 6.25 times 10 raised to power 18 electrons. Electron. That is it. That is the value. That is the value. Now, let's now look at, we have talked about charge. Let's look at electric current. Electric current is the flow of electric charge. You see now? You see how it's moving? Electric current is the flow of electric charge through a conductor. It flows through a conductor like a wire. So when electric charge, which is the electrons, we have the positive and the positive and the negative charges. Now, when electric charges, the electron, move through a wire, we say an electric current is flowing. We say an electric current is flowing. So now, the unit of current is ampere. This unit is also used to honor another scientist, André Marie Ampere. André Marie Ampere. So we actually measure current using an instrument known as a ammeter. Ammeter is used to measure current. Ammeter is used to measure current. So the unit is ampere, 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 named after the scientists that worked tirelessly to discover this movement of charge known as a current. So ampere. And that is why whenever you're solving a problem, maybe you are meant to calculate the current, you use A. You use A. Now, let's move on. The direction of current is taken as the direction in which positive charge will flow. The direction of current is taken as the direction in which positive charge will flow from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. So now the battery has its positive terminal and it has its negative terminal. If you see the symbol of battery, here we have the positive and the smaller one is the negative, the shorthand. So now it moves, I've said it that the direction of current is taken as the direction in which the positive charges will flow from the positive terminal. This is the positive terminal. To the negative terminal. It flows from the positive terminal to the negative, or alternatively, it flows like this, positive to negative. So that is the flow. That is the flow. So now, that is how electric current, that is how it flows. So we are going to, we're going to stop here for today, and we're going to continue from here in our next class. Please, thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.